Hey guys, welcome back to another maths video, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to do short division. So, you make a small table like this, and then let's think of a sum. Let's say we divide 4 by 67. So, what number in the 4 times tables is close to the number 6? Let's see. 4 ones are 4, because 4 is the only number close to 6. So the remainder out of 6 and 4 is 2, because we just minus 6 and 4 and the answer is 2. So the remainder 2, we put it next to 7, and now it makes 27. So what number in the 4 times tables is close to 27? Let's figure it out. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 20, 24. So 24 is close to 27. So we put 6 over here, and then the remainder is 3. We just minus 27 by 24 is 3. So the answer to 67 divided by 4 is 16 remainder 3. So hope this video helps you guys, and I will see you guys next time.